Hi guys, nandito po kami sa likod ng Luneta Park. At ang lalaruin natin ngayon is high-low. Anong pangalan mo?
Marlon.
Marlon, magbubuklat ako ng base card. Tapos, hulaan mo lang yung second card kung high or low. Okay? Game na? First card. 6 of diamond. High or low?
Hello.
Okay, low. 5. 5 of flowers. May 20 pesos ka na. 5 of flowers. High or low?
Ay.
High. Second card. 10 of diamond. Yan ha. Base mo na 10 of diamond. Nakaka 2 points ka na. Oh, high or low?
Low.
2 of heart. Okay, naka 3 points na siya. 2 of hearts. High or low?
Ay.
High. Yan, 3 of flower. Ayan, naka 4 points ka na. Okay, may 80 pesos ka na. Okay, 3 of flowers, high or low?
Ay.
High. Jack of heart. Ayan, naka 5 points siya. Okay, nakakuha siya ng 100 pesos. Any shout out?
Shoutout yung tindahan ko sa Luneta. Ito, tawa ko kasama ko yung anak ko. Naglalak buhay kami sa Luneta Park.
Okay, maghanap uli kami ng kalahok. Thank you.
Thank you.